Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bankers Royal Fund. Here I will discuss English version of Top 40 Current and Banking Awareness Part 1 series. I also uploaded Hindi version of this video, so we continue our English version. The first question is, the Reserve Bank released its quarterly house price index, that means HPI, for quarter 3 2021 to 2022 based on the transaction level data received from Housing Registration Authority in 10 major cities. So what is the base year of HBI? Answer is 2010 to 2011. Next question is, identify it from the following statement. It was introduced in 2010 to meet the temporary mismatch in the cash flow of the government of India, and these have the generic character of T-bills but are issued for maturity less than 91 days. The answer is cash management bills. Next question, the WHO Global Tuberculosis Report, means TB Report 2022, provides a comprehensive and up-to-date assessment of the TB epidemic and of progress in prevention, diagnosis and treatment of the disease at global, regional and country levels, that is done in the context of global TB commitments, strategies and targets. WHO, World Health Organization, was established in which of the following years? The answer is 1948. Next question, as per the latest data released by the Regulatory Authority of India, means TRAI, Dash becomes the largest landline service provider in the country for the first time in August. The answer is Reliance Jio. Next question, which of the following dish has won the most popular GI awards in foods item category? Hyderabadi Halim is the most popular GI award. Hyderabadi Halim gets most popular GI award in foods item category. Next question, which bank has extended its VCare fixed deposit scheme for senior citizens till March 31, 2023? VCare scheme launched by SBI, State Bank of India. World Bamboo Day 2022 is observed on 19 September in order to raise awareness about the conservation of this extremely useful planet. Answer is 18 September celebrated World Bamboo Day. World Bamboo Day 2022 is observed on 18 September. Next question. The Union Cabinet has approved the interest subvention on short-term agriculture loans to 1.5% for all financial institutions for the financial year 2022 to 23 to 2024 to 25 for lending short-term agri loans up to 3 lakh rupees to the farmers. The interest rate is 1.5%. Next question, Ministry of Corporate Affairs has announced the winners and honorable mentions for National CSR Awards 2020. First National CSR Awards were conferred in which year? 2019. Next question, Obicus survey is being conducted by RBI on a quarterly basis since 2008. The information collected in the survey included quantitative data on the new order received during the reference quarter. Explain the term I in Obicus. Answer is inventories. The CBSE board has launched a portal to streamline board examination, results, sample papers and other details in one single window. CBSE board launched Pariksha Sangam. The answer is Pariksha Sangam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled a 30-feet bronze statue of Alluri Sitaram Raju in which of the following state? Andhra Pradesh. On the 125th birth anniversary of the Alluri Sitaram Raju, who is a freedom fighter. Next question, Khubsum Lake National Park has been added to the World Network of Biosphere Reserve of UNESCO. Khubsum Lake National Park is located in which of the country? Mongolia. Mongolia is the answer. Next, India women's wrestling team has won 5 medals to claim under-17 Asian Championship title with a total of 8 gold. It was held in which of the following country? Kyrgyzstan. Next, which of the following organization has approved a 47 million project to support the government of India's Mission Karmyogi, a national program to build civil services capacity? Answer is World Bank. Which bank has launched its World Gold feature to its World Mobile Banking platform for seniors and the elderly? So, World Gold feature launched by Bank of Baroda. Next question, in which city the Ministry of Civil Aviation and Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, means FICCI, have jointly organized Asia's largest event on civil aviation titled Wings India 2022. So Wings India 2022 organized in which city? Hyderabad is the answer. Next question, the Norway Academy of Science and Letters has awarded the Abel Prize for the year 2022 to mathematician Daniel Parnell Suvian for his groundbreaking contribution to topology in its broadest sense. What is the nationality of Denis Parnell-Souvillon? So, the nationality of Denis Parnell-Souvillon is American. Next question. Sony and G Media Group have voluntarily agreed to sell their three Hindi channels to address possible anti-competition concern arising out of their proposed mega merger deals. Big Magic, G Action, G Classic. These media groups agreed to sell their three channels to addressing possible anti-commission concern by Sony and G Media. So all Big Magic, G Action and G Classic is the answer of this question. Next question. Delhi Governor, Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena. The first question here arises by who is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? Vinay Kumar Saxena has launched a one-time property tax scheme Samriddhi 2022-2023. Expand the term A in Samriddhi. Augmentation हो जाएगा इसका. Recently NPCI International partnered with Gateway Payment Services and Manam Infotech to deploy UPI solutions in Nepal. Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding NPCI? First option is it was founded in 2010, which is wrong. NPCI establishment year is 2007. The first is wrong. Next, its quarters are located in Mumbai, which is true. Third, Aadhaar enabled payment system is not the product of NPCI, which is also wrong. Third is wrong. Fourth, Dilip Asbe is the present MD and CEO of NPCI. It is true. So option 2 and 4 are correct, but here question are asking which of the following statement is incorrect. So first and 3 is incorrect. Next, banks and NBFC in India have the potential to achieve an electric vehicle financial market size of 14,000 crore by 2020-25. And rupees 3.7 lakh crore by 2030 according to report titled Banking on Electric Vehicles in India. Next question. Which edition of India Brazil South Africa Dialogue Forum IBSA Trilateral Ministerial Commission ITMC meeting was held in New York? 10th edition is the answer of this question. Next, who has been elected as President of Hockey India? Dilip Turkey is elected as the President of Hockey India. Next question. PNB MetLife India Insurance Company has launched India's first dental health insurance plan. So PNB MetLife India Insurance Company launched dental health insurance plan. Next question. The State of the World's Forest is the flagship publication of the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations FAO. According to the report, forest covers 4.06 billion, which is 31% of the Earth's geographical area. It is released every 2 years. After 2 years, FAO released a State of World Forest publication report. Forest cover 4.06 billion Earth geographical area. So it is released every by 2 years. After 2 years. Next question. Mark the correct statement regarding Startup India seed fund scheme. So this is long question. You see the answer of this question and read this. So next question is Casper Ruud has won the Swiss Open Tennis Tournament 2022 held in Gstaad, Switzerland. He hails from which country? Casper Ruud becomes in the country of Norway. Who amongst the following recently became the first captain in cricketing history to win 13 consecutive T20? Answer is Rohit Sharma. Which of the following state will host the 9th World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo in December 2022? The answer is Goa. Next, with the aim of achieving self-reliance and boosting exports in defense sector, PM Modi announced the 4th positive indigenous list of 101 items during opening ceremony of Defense Expo 2022. Next, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar announced that the central government will launch a 500 crore accelerator program to support the productive ideas of agro business. Next, the gross direct tax collection have registered a growth of how much percent in the current financial year in comparison to 2021 to 22? So answer is 30%. Next, in India, the first week of September every year is celebrated as National Nutrition Week. The week is observed every year from September 1 to 7. What is the theme of this year? World of Flavors is the theme of this year. Next, which city will be the first in the country to get 100% digital buses that will help a facility for smart cards and mobile app with a tap in and tap out facility? So answer is Mumbai. Government issued 100 rupees commemorative coin to mark birth century of Jawaharlal Darra. Next question. GST which is goods and service tax collections hit an all-time high of rupees 1.68 lakh crore in April, indicating a strong economic activity despite multiple headwinds and better tax compliance. Which was the first country to implement GST? This is very important question, and the answer is France. France is the country who implement first GST. Full form of GST, it's goods and service tax. Next question. Microsoft has announced to retire its which browser after 27 years? Microsoft retires Internet Explorer, replaced by Microsoft Edge. This is the top 40 question series, banking and current awareness, part 1. And if you like this video, please like video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.